This is an automatic drawing. This is what I'm getting for this automatic drawing. And I believe that this automatic drawing represents a bird. The bird has some type of headgear on its head. The back of the bird's head is here. You're looking at the left side of the bird's head, face, neck, and chest, back area. The headgear is represented by this area on the drawing. And I think that this portion of the drawing represents feathers that are on the bird's head. This part of the headgear is more than likely a feather. So yeah.